Hello, kumusta? Ako si Levi. I'm from Victoria University from Melbourne, Australia. My parents are Filipino born. I'm also a Filipino Australian. I signed up to this program because from what I hear, DLSU University is one of the best universities in Philippines. Tapos, it also has a partnership with my university back home in Melbourne. Ang expectations ko for this program is to learn about the Philippine legal system. Kasi even though Australia is a common law system and Philippines is a civil law system or amalgamation of systems, I feel it's really important for me as an Australian Filipino to understand my ancestry, tapos also compare it with the Australian common law system and see how those systems differentiate but also have similarities.
Hi, my name is Marie and I'm from Victoria University. I live in Melbourne, Australia, and I decided to apply for the Philippine Study Abroad Tour because after working and studying in Australia, I really wanted to be a part of something that we are able to compare and contrast legal systems between the Philippines and Australia. My expectations for the program is to be a part of something more and to be a part of the culture and to see the cultural differences and how we can be so different but so together at the same time.
Hi, my name is Roslyn Buenaventura. I study Bachelor of Laws and Bachelor of Arts at Victoria University. My key takeaways from this lecture is how the legal systems here in the Philippines is very distinctively different from in Australia, particularly because there are two main systems of law that coincidentally the Philippines adopts the other while Australia adopts the other system brought by both of the distinct histories of the two countries.
Hi, my name is Doha. I have studying Bachelor's of Law and I am studying in Victoria University. Obviously the systems, one's the civil and one's the common law system. And then over here in Australia you have different states and then a federal as well. The federal is the entire country and then the states separately have their separate law systems, whereas in the Philippines it's slightly different, well quite different because it's a civil law system, and then you have three different courts as well. So you have the Filipino court system, then you have the Sharia system, and then you have the cultural systems like the traditional system. So that's like the major differences if I'm going to simplify it like that.
My name is Napelda. I study at the Victoria University and I study Bachelor of Law in Business. My key takeaway is that we get to learn about the differences and the contrast of the Filipino justice system and the Australian justice system. The Filipino justice system is a lot more based on religion, history and family values, whereas in Australia it's a lot more westernized. So it was interesting to see how they contrast between each other.